Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel The Cubing School, where I'll show you videos regarding the Rubik's Cube. And today we are going to be talking about the top 5 speed cubes under rupees 500. On number 5 is the MoFang JiaoShi MF3RS 3x3 and its price is rupees 349 on Cubelelo.com. On number 4 is the QiYi Sail W. Its price is rupees 219 on Cubelelo.com. On number 3 is coming the QiYi Warrior W and its price is rupees 269 on Cubelelo.com. On number 2 on the list is coming the QiYi Thunderclap 3x3 and its price is rupees 449 on Cubelelo.com. And last, not the least, the best budget cube which under rupees 500 which most people think is the best cube is the YuXin Little Magic 3x3 and it's for rupees 349 on Cubelelo.com. So that's all for this video and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, happy cubing, stay home and stay safe. Bye.
Like a Hellcat.